So the song I'm going to sing is called the Offaly Rover, and it reminds me of the glory days of Offaly hurling and Offaly football, and it was kind of like our big mantra. And as a kid I started playing hurling because we were successful, and this song later became, you know, when I started writing songs, just the lyrics of the song, I didn't know what the lyrics were like until I started actually singing it on the guitar. And I always think that if I was to sing, had a sing song with like Bob Dylan or some of my heroes, that it would stand up, you know, beside all the great songs in the world. And I love this song. It's called the Offaly Rover. A rover I've been, and a rover I will stay. Into my fateful county dear, I will return someday. Uíbh, yeah, how I've missed you and your heather-scented air. Silently the peaceful Brosna calls her sons from far and near. Oh, Kinnity, I love to see when your woodbine's in full bloom, and stroll the fields around for ban, hear the wild birds in full tune. From Clonmacnoise I'll see you, on to Banagher I'll stray, and we'll drink the tears with the fishermen about the ones that got away. Pile the brown turf high upon the fire, bring the keg in from the barn. Let the poacher sing his rebel song, and the blacksmith tell his yarn. Come all my friends and neighbors, fill your glasses to the brim, and we'll toast all Offaly heroes from the heathered hill and land. Though dead and still in exile are some friends I used to know, still I must pass Killahee, where some sportsmen are laid low. By Crahan Hill I'll see you, where in childhood I did play. So adieu, my sweet sleeve bloom, I must be on my way. A rover I have been, and a rover I will stay. And to my fateful county dear, I will return someday. Uíbh, yeah, how I've missed you and your heather-scented air. Silently the peaceful Brosna calls her sons from far and near. Up Offaly.